Hello, welcome. Jacqueline here again, and for this video, I will be your travel agent, okay? So this is good for those travelers that are requesting bassinet, okay? So bassinets are for lap infants or babies, and of course if you have at least 2 years old below, you will be needing a bassinet. Okay, so usually it can be requested. You can call your travel agent or the airline customer service agents to request for your bassinet, but again, bassinets are never confirmed or guaranteed. Why? Because aircraft are not the same. There must some aircraft, or it depends on the aircraft type that you have with your flights. Okay, so we should be aware of that. Don't be upset if your bassinet request is not granted, and then we do understand that some flights are really long, and if bassinets are not available, please do understand that it is not the airline's fault. Okay, it depends again. So it is your responsibility as a traveler to check if there's an availability of the bassinet on your flight. So before booking the flight, do the research first. Okay, for example, you can check the aircraft type in Google or online if there is a bassinet or fixed bassinet on that certain aircraft. Okay, and I would understand that there are a lot of complaints about that they just carried their babies during the long flight because airline did not provided the bassinet. So usually the bassinet is located at the bulkhead of the aircraft. So again, it is not guaranteed that all aircraft has bassinets. So you can chat, you can call the airline's customer service agents and then request, and we can do that. We can put a request for bassinet, but then again, it is not guaranteed. So as a traveler, please check the aircraft. Before booking a flight, please check the aircraft if there is a bassinet or fixed bassinet on that certain aircraft. But if you are okay to hold your baby for at least 1 hour or 2 hours, yeah, it will be okay. But again, not all the aircraft has bassinets, so please do understand. Okay, so what else are because I have this long chat and I really wanted to help my customer. They are traveling international flight, and yeah, I do understand that the flight is too long, but it's so hard to advise the customer that there is no fixed bassinet on that particular flight that they have. So maybe one of the options would be change the flight, but of course changing the flight is not recommendable because fare difference may apply as well. So again, I highly suggest as a traveler, you need to check first the flight that you are booking if there's a fixed bassinet on that particular flight. Okay, and let me just check other details here. Again, there's no problem with us adding the bassinet request. We can put that on your reservation so that our airport agents would have the visibility of checking your request. But then again, it is not guaranteed. Okay, so ang hirap mag-English, kaya lang kasi of course this video is not only for Filipinos, or we have a lot of foreigners or travelers which is needing a bassinet. So thank you for watching my video, and God bless everyone.